Hey, what's up guys, my name is Noah and welcome to another tech video. And this video we're going to be building a $600 PC build, or PC, and I call this PC the Ryzen White. And originally it's supposed to be costing 500 and not 600, but it costed way more because of the parts. But it's fine. This is going to be the PC build of January. There's going to be a PC build every month. One costing more or maybe less, I'm not sure, depending every month. So yeah, and it was supposed to be a more powerful productivity PC and gaming at the same time, you know, for YouTubing in general. But it costs way more than I thought it would. So enough talking, let's just get right to the parts. The CPU of choice is going to be the AMD Ryzen 3 1300X. It is quad core and you can boost it to 3.9 GHz, which is really great. It's VR ready and all, so that's why I recommend this for productivity and gaming and YouTubing and all that. And Ryzen 5 will be much better, but unfortunately by the price, then it's better with the Ryzen 3 instead. And since it's going with $128, then hey, I prefer this one. Now the motherboard is going to be the ASRock AB350M. It does support the Ryzen series, and it has four slots for the RAM. And personally I would pick this one because in the future, if you want to upgrade for 16 gigs, an example, then hey, this is a pretty good choice. And for only $72, hey, that is a pretty good choice. Now the memory of choice is going to be the 2 sticks of 8 gigs of RAM of Ballistic Sport. Now I would prefer this one because personally it's the cheapest in the market right now. And yeah, and since it's white, then will be really perfect with the build, so that's why I'm going with it. And it costs $99, so hey, pretty good. Now the GPU of choice is going to be the MSI RX 560. It is 4 gigs and it is overclockable, I believe, so personally I would choose this one since it is an AMD build and it is for $132, so hey, that is pretty cheap. Now the storage will be my old-time favorite WD Blue 1TB. Now I prefer to use this storage for every single $700 PC build because it is really cheap for a hard drive, and personally I would prefer this one for anything else. But if you want to go with another thing or another more expensive stuff, then hey, go ahead. But personally, for only $48, it is pretty good. Now for the power supply, I went a little bit overkill with the 500 watts instead. Now, yes, I know an AVGA 500 is way too much and probably a 430 would be better, but for upgradability, I would prefer this one than anything else. And plus, the 500 watts is much cheaper than the 430, so for only $52, I would prefer this one. Now, the case of choice is going to be the InWin 301. And the reason why I pick it up, because it is white colored, and since this is going to be a white PC build, I picked it up. But it does cost a lot of money. It costs $70, so if you want to go with something a little bit cheaper, you could go with the Vivo Micro ATX, aka Smart, or whatever you call it, which is kind of cheaper than the InWin and costs $43. But cable management on this case is kind of hard, so that's the reason why I went with the InWin 301. But if you really don't care about the cable management, then you can go with the Vivo Micro ATX Smart case or whatever you call it. Anyways, I'll be linking both of them in the description down below, and you guys can choose it if you want to. Now the total price of all the parts is $626. Now you could get less, probably 600 if you get the other case, but personally it's your choice, so it really depends. That is it for this video. I know I could have gone with a little bit cheaper options, especially the case. The case is probably the most nonsense and expensive. But again, if you think about cable management, the Vivo would not be a good option, but either way, both of them are still good. But it's really your choice. I'll be linking both of the cases down below, so you could choose between one of them if you care about cable management or not. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more, comment down below. I'll be making a lot of gaming and tech videos at the same time, and maybe other stuff as well, but mostly, you know, these both things. And again, like I said, I'm really want to make my YouTube channel grow, so 2018 probably gonna be my year of getting to my goal, even though I don't think so, but I'm going to. This year I will try before I get hit to 18 years, because I'm almost 18, so I'm not going to no, I'm going there. So so thank you so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give a like, subscribe today for more content, share this video, share this channel, so you know it could grow, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.